Dear all, this video discusses a problem related to maximum likelihood receiver. So the problem is a discrete source has 8 symbols M1 to M8 and the corresponding transmitted signals are S1 of t to S8 of t respectively. The signals are equiprobable and the channel is an AWGN channel. The signal vectors are points in three-dimensional Euclidean space with the coordinates. So the coordinates are given already. So if the received signal vector is given by 1 by 4, 5 by 4 and 3 by 4, determine decision of the detector if the receiver is a maximum likelihood receiver. So in case of maximum likelihood receiver, in order to find out the output, so the output is computed by using the equation yk is equal to summation of j equal to 1 to n xj into skj minus 1 by 2 into ek for ek equal to where k is equal to 1 to m. Now when you are estimating the value as per the maximum likelihood receiver, we'll choose MCAP. MCAP is the estimate for MI. If this maximum, this the value what you are finding out is maximum for k equal to I. So now we have to find out what will be yk for whichever value of y we are obtaining the maximum. So that will be the final decision. The detector will decide in favor of that signal. So now here in this problem n is equivalent to 3 because number of signals m is equivalent to 8. So now the energy of the signal, the general formula for energy is summation of the signal square. So summation for signal square and output yk is given as xsk minus 1 by 2 into ek. K already is equivalent to 1 2 to 8, 1 2 to m we are considering. Or yk can be written as x transpose into xk minus 1 by 2 into ek. Here it is given as a matrix. Now in order to find out the energy, so energy already it has been seen that it is the signal square. So this signal square summation, if you consider, energy will be equivalent to 0. Here this will be equivalent to 1. Again this will be equivalent to 1. S4 means that is equivalent to 1 square plus 1 square. So 1 plus 1 it will be 2. Then this will be 1, 2, 2 and 3. So those will be the energies. So similar way here energy of each signal can be written as 0, E2 equivalent to 1, E3 equivalent to 1, E4 is equivalent to 2, E5 will be equivalent to 1, E6 2, this is from the signal vector we are writing it, E7 we have the formula, this is equivalent to skj square, E7 will be equivalent to 2 and E8 will be equivalent to 3. Now next step is using this formula we have to compute what will be the output. So one by one it has to be found out. So first consider y1. So yk, k equal to 1. So that means x transpose. So x transpose will be equivalent to 1 by 4, 5 by 4. It is given in the question. So just take the transpose of it into the signal S1 that is given as 0 0 0 minus 1 by 2 into E1 that is equivalent to 0. So this will be equivalent to 0. Next is y2. So 1 by 4, 5 by 4, 3 by 4 into S2 0 0 1 minus 1 by 2. So this will be equivalent to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2, which will be equivalent to 1 by 4. So similar way all consider y3. y3 will be 1 by 4, 5 by 4, 3 by 4 into S3 0 1 0 minus 1 by 2. So that will be equivalent to 5 by 4 that is multiplying matrix multiplication. So 5 by 4 into 1, rest all is becoming 0 minus 1 by 2. So this will be equivalent to 3 by 4. Next is y4. y4 will be equivalent to 1 by 4, 5 by 4, 3 by 4 into 0, 1, 1 minus 2 into 1 by 2 equivalent to, so here we have 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 1. So this will be equivalent to 1. Next is y5. y5 is 1 by 4, 5 by 4, 3 by 4 into 1, 0, 0 minus 1 by 2. So this will be equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 4. Next is y6. 1 by 4, 5 by 4, 3 by 4 into 1, 0, 1 minus 2 by 2 equivalent to 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 2 by 2 equivalent to 0. y7 is equivalent to 1 by 4, 5 by 4, 3 by 4 into s7, 1, 1, 0 minus 2 by 2. So this will be equivalent to 1 by 4 plus 5 by 4 minus 2 by 2 equivalent to 1 by 2. Again finding out y8. So 1 by 4, 5 by 4, 3 by 4 into s8, 1, 1, 1 minus 3. Energy of the signal is 3 into 1 by 2 equivalent to, so this will be equivalent to 1 by 4 plus 5 by 4 plus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, which will be equivalent to 3 by 4. So if you see the signals, the highest value of the signal, the value is equivalent to 1. So this is the highest value. So that means that yk is maximum for k equal to 4. So the detector will decide in favor of signal S4 of t, indicating that symbol M4 is transmitted. So this is how this problem can be solved. So do like, share and subscribe to the channel for latest updates.